Hello. Dear students of class 10, we are going to solve mathematics RD Sharma exercise 1.1 example 2. If you follow my videos, you will score good marks in board. So let's start with this. So the question is, so that any positive integer is of the form 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2 for some integer q. It is almost same as example 1. So let's begin. So we will let a is equals to positive integer and b is equals to 3, because here is 3q, 3q and 3q. That's why we are taking b as 3. So we will apply division lemma with a and b is equals to 3. So we are getting as a is equals to 3q plus r, where so we know that remainder will be always greater than equal to 0 and it will be less than 3, and q is some integer. So note down this, we will move. So a is equals to 3q. If r is equals to 0, then 3q, or a is equals to 3q plus r is equals to 1. So 1, or a is equals to 3q plus r is equals to 2. So a is equals to 3q, or a is equals to 3q plus 1, or a is equals to 3q plus 2 for some integers q. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked the video, subscribe to the channel and follow for more questions to get good marks in board examination. So if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment box, and if possible I will reply in the comment, or not possible then I will make the separate video for your doubt. Thank you.